Mukteshwar is the heaven of Uttarakhand. This is one of the best vacation destination if you are coming from Delhi, if you're a fan of road trips and if you have a weekend. So this can be your perfect destination to enjoy a beautiful waterfall. My name is Sakshi and let's get started. If you are a fan of road trips and you have a weekend and if you are planning a vacation from Delhi, then this is a place for you. I planned 3 days vacation in Mukteshwar, which is in Uttarakhand. It's not very populated and polluted like Nainital, but it is more beautiful than Nainital and slightly like more clean. It's 5 to 6 hours of drive. I also drove in between. I love driving. I planned this weekend for with my brother. You get to see a lot of beautiful scenic views and road is beautiful. You will definitely enjoy if you are going with your friends or your cousins or your brother and sister. So Mukteshwar is the heaven of Uttarakhand. It is 50 kilometers away from Nainital. The way we were heading to Mukteshwar, we get to see a lot of hailstorm. बहुत ओले गिर रहे थे and it was so much fun. We really had a lot of fun here. So we booked this property through Airbnb. It was a newly constructed property, quite beautiful, and the view from all the rooms were very good. It was very scenic, 360-degree view. We enjoyed this morning. I will share the link in the description box for this property. You can check it out and you can book it for yourself if you're planning to visit Mukteshwar. Let's have a quick visit of my homestay. This is the living area. You have 24/7 caretaker available. This is the open terrace. And there's a room upstairs which was mine. There was a small TV room. It was common for everyone, and a balcony. You get good ventilation and good view from here. This was my room. Room was very big and with good view. So we decided to visit Bhalugad waterfall the very first day of our vacation. Bhalugad waterfall is one of the biggest waterfalls of Uttarakhand. It is very popular among travelers. Because we drove till Uttarakhand, we drove till Mukteshwar, so we reached here by our own car. See, this is how it looks. This is the track path. Weather is quite beautiful today. So the system is you have to fill a form here, followed by buying a ticket, which is 50 rupees per person. And these are the few rules you need to follow. And it's a 1200-meter track. Place is quite organized, very beautiful. Lot of greenhouse and farming is happening. And parking is very well organized, if you see. After buying the tickets, we started our trek. It was a lot of fun. 1200 meters is not a much, it's not a task, but it was a lot of fun. So Bhalugad waterfall opens at 8 a.m. If you want to enjoy the best of it, then try to come early, because after 10 to 11 a.m. it becomes very crowded. And take one extra pair of your clothes if you enjoy the water.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were...
After completing the track of 1200 meter, we are almost reached to the fall. There were changing rooms. You can rent a swimsuit and you can change here. We had no plans to swim, so we did not rent any swimsuit. And here we are. This is the fall. It was quite scenic and it was very crowded. If you go in vacations, you find a lot of people enjoying this waterfall. बहुत ठंडा पानी था. It was freezing cold. अगर आप लोग 2-3 days का वेकेशन प्लान कर रहे हैं, देन यू कैन कंसिडर दिस. और पहाड़ों में आए और वहाँ के मोमोज नहीं खाए तो फिर क्या फ़ायदा. सो रागी मोमोज आर क्वाइट पॉपुलर हेयर. और यहाँ पे ये चटनी बनाते हैं, सम डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ चटनी विद रागी मोमो. You must try that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be sharing day 2 and day 3 story very soon. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.